In this video, we're taking a look at a quick move-in by Providence Homes. Hello everyone, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm your local St. Johns County Realtor. Today I'm out here in the Seabrook Village neighborhood within the Nocatee community. Nocatee is located in Ponte Vedra, Florida. And today we're taking a look at this quick move-in by Providence Homes. Now this is the Hernando floor plan. This home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and has approximately 2,250 square feet. Now you can see here, this home does feature a paved driveway. All right, so this home is ready now. So if you're looking for a home that is ready now, you want to skip the construction process, then this home might be a fit for you. You have a nice tall 8-foot door there with glass allowing natural light to come in. So let's go take a look. All right, so here we step into the 2-story foyer. So it's nice and tall. Then you have wood stairs to the right, and then the common living area will be straight ahead. We're gonna start over here and then we'll go upstairs. So here we have a storage closet. And then next we have the kitchen. And you can see the construction manager left their paperwork here. You can see blue tape. So this house is considered move-in ready, but they're punching out some small items. This house features quartz countertops, and then you have the cabinetry that goes around the island. You have the double stacked cabinets there. Gourmet style kitchen with your 5-burner cooktop. Here you have the microwave oven combo. You have a gooseneck faucet there. You have backsplash, and then it's going to have under cabinet lighting. Here's where your fridge would go. And then over here we have the laundry room with cabinets. This is where the washer would go. And Nocatee is a natural gas community, so you have your gas stub there if you want to do a gas dryer, and then over here is your outlet for the electrical dryer. We're going to make our way over here, take a look at the pantry. You're going to have wire shelving there. And this is the cafe area. Then over here we have the living room. You have the sliders here. And this house does sit on a preserved lot. We have a paved lanai. So you can see nice preserve in the back. And then here we do have a gas stub, so if you wanted to have a grill, you have access there to natural gas. All right, now over here we have the powder room. And it's always nice to have a powder room for when guests come over. Here we're entering the owner's suite. You see a tray ceiling with the recessed lighting there. And this room features the bay window. You have a nice view of the backyard. And then right here in the middle is the pre-wire for a light fixture or fan. And we could see the doors. The interior doors here are 8 feet. And we do have 9-foot ceilings, and the tray ceiling will bump up the ceiling to about 10 feet. Bath does feature a pocket door. You have your super shower here with 3 shower heads. You have the rainfall and then 2 over here. Right, then here we have the water closet. There's a small linen closet over here. And then we have the walk-in closet. All right. And then over here in the owner's suite, there is no carpet. The LVP floor does flow into this room, into the powder, and then over here in the common living area. All right, gonna make our way over to the second floor. And I did wanna say that it's very important if you're thinking about new construction that you reach out to myself before visiting a builder, since builders do require your realtor be present at your first visit, and want to make sure that you are being represented. I'd love to walk you through the purchase of your new construction home. All right, we're gonna swing to the left. This is bedroom number 2. All right, and then we're gonna walk over to bathroom number 2. Tile floor, double vanity. And then here we have the tub, the shower tub combo with tile going all the way up to the ceiling. Next we have bedroom number 3. And this bedroom does feature a nice sized closet. And in between bedrooms 3 and 4, we have a linen closet. And here we have bedroom number 4. Nice sized closet. Now upstairs, the doorways are 8 feet as well. And then we have 9-foot ceilings. All right, if you'd like to know more about this home, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. My name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.